Wonke lamantombazana ayaludinga uthando, uthando okuthandayo. Mbambisise please, ungamhlukumezi. Don't hit her indaba, don't hit her anymore. Bayizimbali zelizwe, I love you baby, kumele sibanakekele. School, ngicela ukukubamba ngesandla mawu, not ukukushaya, ngicela ukukubamba ngembama yemali, noda izandla, ngicela ukukusula inyembezi ngeslaya, not ngamanga. Uyimbala emehlweni wami, ngiyakujahela uyakhakaza, mina ngibeka isandla kuwe. Mina ngifuna umshado phela kuwe my love, ntshontsha inhliziyo yami, abethweka bakubeka ngophephela. Sweetie bheka, wisitove ekamereni, ikhekhe uyangiphakela. Holding hands beat, esihlabathini ebusuku ngoDisemba. Kuphi uthando 24/7, ngikuvalele ekhephe. Why? Ngakubeka isandla ngoba ungenza happy girl, funa usuze ukhala ekhanda lakho njengo happy girl. Wonke lamantombazana ayaludinga uthando, uthando okuthandayo. Mbambisise please, ungamhlukumezi. Don't hit her indaba, don't hit her anymore. Bayizimbali zelizwe, I love you baby, kumele sibanakekele. Sister lam, mthakama dade wethu, ngicela ukuthatha leli thuba ngithi ukhulumela abafowethu. Yazi abaningi ababoni that women have it the hardest. Banibeka izandla ebusweni bazenza ama-makeup artists. Yazi mangingicabanga, I just picture flowers. I wish we could come together and scream out the world is ours. Iqinise limsula silutho ngaphandle kwenu, thina siza ngamuva okwama-drinks kwimenu. Yazi ukuthina, ayi ngiyakuthanda sisi, nawe ngiyakuthanda girl. Asazi kusasa lisiphathelene, kumele ngikutshela ngiphinde futhi ngiyakuthanda sisi, nawe ngiyakuthanda girl. Makena wena kuvele kucwebezele njengestalingele. I'm out of here. Wonke lamantombazana ayaludinga uthando, uthando okuthandayo. Mbambisise please, ungamhlukumezi. Don't hit her indaba, don't hit her anymore. Bayizimbali zelizwe, kumele sibanakekele. Eksimina ngakhuliswa abafazi, umama ungani wethu. Hope that explains the love that I have for you ntokazi. Veleke njengi-outing, nothenda mangisashele, ngivele ngizokubeka isandla mangikuthandazela. I got dreams for you, ngizokutshela kahle kuseni. Right now I pray to God that He take away all your pain. Ngoze ngisize tu, help me appreciate every woman, every Susan uSibongile uNthabiseni. Cause I stand as a man and I am what I am. Through your pain, through your tears, through your struggles, I got you, Ngcembe.